Hi, Gretchen.
Hi.
So we always see you on TV and you always look great. What's your secret?
I just wear clothes that I think complement my body type and what I feel confident in when I wake up in the morning. And it depends on my mood. So if I feel like fast today or dress today, I dress accordingly what I feel for the day. I don't really prepare the night before. So I think it's all about the confidence because I don't want the clothes to wear me.
You're very spontaneous when it comes to style.
Yeah, anything goes. I could be sporty, I could be corporate or fashionista.
Please tell us about what you're wearing today.
Today I'm wearing, oh my god, I shop in the States. I love my pointy Aldo shoes. They're very comfy. And,
Aldo.
yeah,
very
sophisticated. They're very comfortable. I think my pants are Forever 21, I think. Also my top. And I shop in the States that year. And a belt to clinch the waist, give some shape. And I don't know, konting diba? Para hindi lang straight.
Okay.
So,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you.